I think I messed up. Or why are there not more people talking about how easy it is to get scammed these days? Today we're diving into the no-nonsense scam protection guide. Let's talk credit cards first. Rule number 1, never share your CVV, that little 3-digit code on the back of your card. It's like handing over your house keys. Next, virtual cards are your new best friend. Websites like privacy.com offer virtual cards that you can use for online shopping. It's like having a superpower against scammers. Now let's jump into the world of crypto. First tip, always double-check wallet addresses. Scammers can change just one letter or number to trick you. Be vigilant. And for those big crypto amounts, use a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. Think of it as your digital safe. Remember, these simple steps can save you from a world of trouble. Stay smart, stay safe, and stop scammers now. Secure your digital life like never before. Explore vital cybersecurity tips and tools to protect your online world. With support always available, you are never alone in the fight against fraud. Let us unite for a safer internet, where community and peace of mind lead the charge. Hit like and subscribe for transformative insights and stay informed on the latest in digital defense. See you next time.